Oh, hey. How's it going?
Donuts for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
There's vanilla, strawberry, and tiramisu.
Cool, thank you.
She's a live streamer as well.
How do you know me? What's your name?
Alodar.
Oh yeah, we met.
We did.
Yeah.
She didn't remember that,
Yeah,
though. That's okay.
sorry.
Alodar is the Gotchi base emo.
Oh.
Definitely not, no.
Well,
She does a lot of IRL streams around Vancouver, though.
Oh,
Very
cool.
popular.
Thank you.
I hope you like it. It's kind of like Korean inspired donuts.
Korean inspired donuts. Nice. Cool.
Are you streaming down here now, or?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay.
Just came to say hi.
Cool, thank you.
I wanted to make seagull noises. Okay, hold on.
Wait, seagull noises?
Do you know what seagulls make? Like what kind of noises seagulls make?
No, but I know what they are.
That's pretty close.
Pretty close.
There you go.
Hey, thank
Cool.
you. Hope
Thank
you
you.
enjoy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you again. Sorry I didn't recognize.
That's all right. I don't recognize myself sometimes.
Look in the mirror.
Cool. Donuts. You guys want one?
No, I'm good.
Poisoned. Die. Canadian extra Emily. Yeah, I don't know.
She's like, how do you know I'm a
Asian-
streamer? Because you're a streamer. Right?
Well, also she had a shirt on that said Twitch.
Oh, I didn't see that.